Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Honda Civic Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.